بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
ويل للمطففين.
Woe to those who give less than due,
الذين إذا اكتالوا على الناس يستوفون.
who when they take a measure from people, take in full,
وإذا كالوهم أو وزنوهم يخسرون.
but if they give by measure or by weight to them, they cause loss.
ألا يظن أولئك أنهم مبعوثون.
Do they not think that they will be resurrected
ليوم عظيم.
for a tremendous day,
يوم يقوم الناس لرب العالمين.
the day when mankind will stand before the Lord of the worlds?
كلا إن كتاب الفجار لفي سجين.
No, indeed, the record of the wicked is in Sijin.
وما أدراك ما سجين.
And what can make you know what is Sijin?
كتاب مرقوم.
It is their destination, recorded in a register inscribed.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the deniers,
الذين يكذبون بيوم الدين.
who deny the day of recompense.
وما يكذب به إلا كل معتد أثيم.
And none deny it except every sinful transgressor.
إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين.
When our verses are recited to him, he says, legends of the former peoples.
كلا بل ران على قلوبهم ما كانوا يكسبون.
No, rather the stain has covered their hearts of that which they were earning.
كلا إنهم عن ربهم يومئذ لمحجوبون.
No, indeed from their Lord that day they will be partitioned.
ثم إنهم لصال الجحيم.
Then indeed they will enter and burn in hell fire.
ثم يقال هذا الذي كنتم به تكذبون.
Then it will be said to them, this is what you used to deny.
كلا إن كتاب الأبرار لفي عليين.
No, indeed the record of the righteous is in Aliyin.
وما أدراك ما عليون.
And what can make you know what is Aliyin?
كتاب مرقوم.
It is their destination, recorded in a register inscribed,
يشهده المقربون.
which is witnessed by those brought near to Allah.
إن الأبرار لفي نعيم.
Indeed, the righteous will be in pleasure,
على الأرائك ينظرون.
on adorned couches observing.
تعرف في وجوههم نظرة النعيم.
You will recognize in their faces the radiance of pleasure.
يسقون من رحيق مختوم
They will be given to drink pure wine which was sealed.
ختامه مسك وفي ذلك فليتنافس المتنافسون
The last of it is musk. So for this let the competitors compete.
ومزاجه من تسنيم
And its mixture is of tasneem,
عينا يشرب بها المقربون
a spring from which those near to Allah drink.
إن الذين أجرموا كانوا من الذين آمنوا يضحكون
Indeed, those who committed crimes used to laugh at those who believed.
وإذا مروا بهم يتغامزون
And when they passed by them, they would exchange derisive glances.
وإذا انقلبوا إلى أهلهم انقلبوا فكهين
And when they returned to their people, they would return jesting.
وإذا رأوهم قالوا إن هؤلاء لضالون
And when they saw them, they would say, Indeed, those are truly lost.
وما أرسلوا عليهم حافظين
But they had not been sent as guardians over them.
فاليوم الذين آمنوا من الكفار يضحكون
So today, those who believed are laughing at the disbelievers.
على الأرائك ينظرون
On adorned couches, observing.
هل ثوب الكفار ما كانوا يفعلون
Have the disbelievers not been rewarded this day for what they used to do?